Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting the essentials ready. Show your valid ID to the camera and confirm your name exactly as on the test form. Once done, secure a quiet, well-lit workspace, remove headphones, and place a blank sheet and pen beside you. Make sure your computer runs the latest Chrome and that your webcam and microphone work. Run the speed test to verify 5 Mbps upload. You'll avoid delays and desk sweeps by handling these first critical checks now. You log into Duolingo, select the English test, and pick your test time. Choose the earliest slot you can guarantee. Next, complete the ID verification. Position your ID, rotate as instructed, and capture a headshot. This prevents rescheduling. Then run the automated environment scan. Show your room, desk, and pockets. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions. If any system check fails, the interface tells you exactly what to fix before the test begins. You proceed through timed speaking, listening, reading, and writing tasks. Read each prompt fully and respond within the time. Avoid long pauses. Once the exam finishes, confirm submission and wait for the confirmation screen, then download or screenshot your receipt. If anything goes wrong, connection drops, or permission errors, first reconnect Wi-Fi and relogin. If the issue persists, note the error code, take screenshots, and contact Duolingo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.